Good evening. Thanks. Um, I would want to thank everybody who's joining us in this second installment. Um, excuse me. As okay, first off, let's start with a disclaimer. The information which will be shared here does not constitute financial advice. It's for learning and entertainment purposes. Um, and thank you for taking your time to check out the video. Okay, in the previous video I mentioned that we're going to try blow the 10,000 default deposit balance, and we blew it to around $31, and then from there on I put another trade. Let's see that trade. Okay, where is that trade? Alright, so we took some other trade which took us to our present balance of 101. We had entered the vol 10, and then yeah, so it came out right to our desired balance of 101, as you can see, which I believe it's more practical than the default deposit credit, which default credit usually provided by the broker platforms. So today our journey will be like this. I'll just go through a prospective trade, just give my perspective over them, but we'll be looking at them. There's the potential trades which are on the radar, and then we will keep track of them. As I said, this is not like your day trading. We are more of your medium term, long term traders. So we'll be keeping an eye on this prospective trades until we have an indication, we have a trigger to enter those, to make those trades. Okay, I've got about 13, and then I think we'll actually go for one trade. For the rest are those which I'm just keeping on the radar. All right. We'll just go over them. The first one is the DEX 900. Let's see, DEX 900 DN, which is this. Alright, so my take with this one is it has already given us an indication that it is going down, and then so the way I'm looking at it, it's this way. I believe it has already gone. Let's use this trend. Here's my take about it. I think the second leg will come when it moves comes from this point, and then it has to hit somewhere. It has to hit the Bollinger Band. Okay, as per usual, let's get rid of these. This price information, and then on this one, so this is where, unless I'm missing something, this is a point where I'd wish that some of the features of the reef can like improve. Okay, so now we have the two. These two at some point are expected to come hit the Bollinger Band here. I'll count that as the second leg, and then we'll be expecting the price eventually to go down. So overall, my take on this is that the breakout occurred when the support level here was struck, and the support level here when it broke this line. So it definitely broke this support line. So personally, I believe that okay, the price has taken basically it has there was enough momentum to break that for it to make a downward move. So I believe that the downward move has started. This is the first leg. This I believe is going to be the second leg, and it has to hit the Bollinger Band somewhere here. That will be number 2, and then going down. So I think we'll enter, we can take this one when it hits the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band, and then we will be going for a sell trade. Alright, enough with that. And then we have the DSI 20, which is this. So according to me, this is where the break for the upward movements occurred. I think this level here, I believe that, let's see, so I believe that when it crossed this supposed resistant level, that's when it broke, and we went for the first leg or the first wave, which in my opinion would be this line. Let's just draw that. You can make life simple for us if you can provide us with those simpler tools. Alright, for my purposes, I'm taking this as the first leg, the first wave. Let's get rid of this. This as well, in my opinion, it has to come and hit the Bollinger Band at some point. I don't know when it's gonna do that. We'll just wait. So we have 1, we have 2. As soon as rather 2, it's still in the process of forming. So as soon as it hits the Bollinger Band here, we'll be going for the upward trade, for the buy, and then okay, because we had zoomed, so I couldn't have the actual picture here. Actually, this one is ripe for the it's definitely ripe for the buy, because it just did exactly that. So let's zoom again. Yeah, okay, so I take it this is the second one, and then I take it this is the second leg. I will definitely go for this one. I'm definitely going for the buy. Actually, let me enter it. And what's nice about this one, you can see it also has the 0.01. So we're going for I'll go for one trade. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. All right. Okay. I'll just go for that one trade on the lot size of 0.01. And then that's it about this one. We'll see how it goes. Let's see other prospective, other potential trades. I'm going for the boom 1000. Let's see. Boom 1000. Let's see. Okay, my take on the boom 1000 is that it's going down. It's going down, and in those other trades you had me saying I take it is the first leg and all that. So with this one, actually it does exactly that in this sense. Okay, trend. So let's say this is the first leg. And then when I say I'm waiting for it to hit the Bollinger Band, I'm referring to exactly something like this. But as you know, no strategy is 100% or is absolutely successful, but we'll use this strategy. We will miss some definitely where it does not come and hit the Bollinger Band, as is the case here. So strategy will be to wait for it to hit the Bollinger Band, and then you can see it went for the third one. There's the third one, and now it's busy with the fourth one. It's busy with the fourth one. I guess probably it's gonna hit the Bollinger Band again, and that will be an opportunity. So we'll wait for it to hit the Bollinger Band, and then we'll be going down with it, because I think it is already going down. Rather, I think the bias is for the is for the south. It's going down, so we'll be going for a bearish trade. That's the boom 1000. Let's see the crash 1000. And by the way, these are daily charts. Crash 1000. So as I said, these are for the holders. Oh, this one bounced off nicely. So according to me, on this one, crash 1000, I think it's going up, so it should be the bias should be for the bullish trade. So let's zoom in. Yeah, oh, it's a beautiful one. So let's try do those waves. Okay, so there we go, first leg. This is a bit annoying, yo, but because the rave has placed us in this situation, we'll have to make do with it. Okay. So that's the first wave, second wave, and we're going at, we just missed it by a day, because this supposed to have been yesterday. Would have been a perfect entry here, but if ever you can put your stop loss below here, I think it's still a nice entry to go up. Otherwise, for me, I'm just gonna wait, but it's going up. We go to the jump 50. Jump 50, let's see. Jump 50, the bias is for the upward trend. However, we missed the opportunities a long time ago, so let's skip this one. There isn't much, except probably if this if the price comes to hit the lower Bollinger Band here, but we will get to it if we see that opportunity. For now, we can skip this one. Let's go to the to Forex now. I see NZD JPY. NZD JPY. Okay. NZD JPY. How do we do this? I think it's going down, and it has the first, the second. It would be nice to have got it at that point, but since it's not there, unless you can cover. Okay, let's zoom so that it's clear. Okay, here we go. This was the first leg. second leg. It would have been nice to have got it some few, maybe last week or so. Okay, so we have the first, the second, so it's going down, unless maybe if you can cover this, if you can put your stop loss above this level here. Let me put in the price line, unless if you can put the stop loss above the 92.367. Yeah, it's definitely for the bears. So that's it about that. For forex, that's the only one I'm having. Now we're going for the stock indices. We have the ESP 35 Spaniel. Oh, this is looking good. This is looking good, provided we get the provided it hits the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, so this is the first leg. Oh, chief, I don't want you. Okay, so this will be the first leg, and then the second leg will be the one which is going to hit the upper Bollinger Band. So we'll keep an eye on this one. It's looking good. Let's get rid of these. Alright, let's unzoom, rather zoom out. Yeah, so we still have that first leg. The second leg will be the one which is going to hit the upper Bollinger Band, and then we can come down with it. Another stock index, rather stock index. Another stock index we're checking is the US 30. I suppose with most indices is the same theme. I suppose even for the NAS it should be the same behavior, because you can see even here as that first leg which shows the breakout, and then I expect it to go up as some sort of retracement, and then to hit the upper Bollinger Band, then we can come down with it. Okay, that's it about the stock indices. Metals and commodities, there's nothing to write home about. There's nothing we're keeping under the radar. And then we have the US stocks. The US stocks, we have the Fox Corporation. Okay, so for the Fox Corporation, my take about it is as follows. Right, we have the first leg, which is from that to the highest point, which is that, and then this is where it becomes tricky because it didn't actually hit the Bollinger Band. So I said these things are not absolute. So if it's definitely going up, and you will be tempted to say so because it also hit the mid band of the Bollinger Bands, because it is also pierced up. So you may be tempted to actually go for it, but the most ideal one would have been if it hit the Bollinger Band, then we're going to go up with it. But hey, it's not a perfect world. So if ever you do have some, if your balance allows for a larger stop loss, yeah, you can bring it to somewhere maybe around just below the 27 mark, and then as the upward trend continues, it develops rather. So that's my take on that. We have Uber Technologies. Uber now we'll just want to see as to whether this is the actual break here. At the moment I'm tempted to think that this is the break, and probably the first leg is still forming. We'll keep an eye on this one. I don't have anything solid to say about it, except let's keep an eye on it. And then the very famous stock currently is this one, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Yeah, this one has certainly broken. I think it's a sell. I think it's a sell, and probably this is the first leg. So we'll keep an eye on it. If it hits the upper band, we're going down with it. We are going down swinging with it. For now, just keep an eye. Also mindful that sometimes they don't necessarily hit the bands, and then it just breaks and continues. We won't get all the trades. That's a fact of life. So if it doesn't come back, it's fine. We'll get other opportunities that meet our criteria. And then that's it about AMD. IBM, more or less similar theme. We will wait for it to hit the upper Bollinger Band, and then we'll be going down with it, because we can take this as the first leg, or the first leg is still developing, and then so if it retraces, we'd expect the retracement to hit the upper Bollinger Band, then we can take the trade, go down. Last but not least is HD Home Depot. This definitely looks like a break, but same theme here, that if it comes back, maybe the first leg or the first wave is not fully developed, it's still in its process. The second one, we will take it when it hits the upper Bollinger Band and then come down with it. Yeah, so those are the opportunities which I came across, and then the actual trade. So far we only on DSI 20, DSI 20, and we went for a bullish trade. So far it's still positive there, but it looks beautiful. Probably it will go for the double bottom, and then yeah, so we are going for it. Let's see how far will it go. I don't know. Let's see if we put take profit around 10,000, as to how much will that be. Take profit. Okay, let's see. Hmm, 52, 525, 52. Okay, not bad. I think it's fine. So, but we don't know for how long this is gonna be. But so far, $52 on 0.01. We will see. Okay, stop loss. I'm not one for stop losses. I know it's dangerous, but let's see how these trades develop. Okay, this on the trading dashboard, this is when I was busy blowing that 10,000. Thank you everyone for taking your time to check out this video. You're welcome to comment, critique, and let's be respectful. Please advise, comment, ask questions. Let's help each other as we are growing this beautiful platform. For now, yeah, I just want to thank you everyone, and you have yourselves a beautiful one. Until the next installment, as they would say, adios, cheers, bye bye.